I'm a lawyer who specialises in wills and estates law, and I've been working on and off with HLB clients now for about 15 years. About 3 years ago, however, we decided to actually incorporate a legal practice within HLB. The reputation of HLB was a big motivator, and also during the many years that I associated with them prior to joining, I found that they were quite passionate about their client having good estate planning advice. Every client of HLB and any other firm require estate planning. The thing is, of course, that people don't wake up in the morning, yawn and say, it's a beautiful day, I'm going to get my estate planning done. Generally, people have to be motivated to do it. Although I'm a lawyer, I don't do family law work, I don't do litigation. I just specialise in estate planning and wills and estate law generally. Seeing the weight come off their shoulders is very rewarding. Sadly, people do pass away. I've had some recent experiences where we'd given advice to a couple, for instance, while she was going through cancer. And it was obviously difficult for her and for her husband, but we sort of took them through the process to get, first of all, their affairs in order, but then secondly, when she sadly passed away, the HLB team was able then to take care of things for her husband, shield him from unfortunate decisions that have to be made if people don't have their affairs in order. So he could just leave it to myself as a lawyer to be able to do the legal work, financial advisor, did whatever was necessary as far as super and things such as that. My estate planning relationship is a very short and very intense relationship. I need to know not only the client's financial circumstances, but also their personal circumstances, the things that are keeping them awake at night, for instance, so that we can deal with those. So when a client dies, being able to navigate through the whatever's necessary to transfer the assets to the next generation in the least traumatic way. For instance, I like to think that when I die, my children and grandchildren will grieve and will miss me. When people are going through grief and trauma, that can only be exacerbated if people don't have in place proper estate planning, because even the smallest issues sometimes gets magnified.